Okay, so here's a typical setup for how these pumps work. You have the discharge line here, the big line. Then you have a smaller line. Now, I don't have it tapped currently, but it's right here on the new pump I sent you. It comes out. That's the return air line. That's what this line, the small one, goes into at the top. Okay, so that goes into that black fitting, kind of just how like that one is. Okay, so it's like this. Now this line comes from the top, and what I want you to do is on the other side of the balloon that you have here with the balloon, take the new line I gave you for the return air line and attach it to the top T. Run it until the point where you can attach the other elbow I gave you and run it up through here. Now this is a panel for somebody else that we just completed. It's similar to yours, but I don't have any holes at the top. They come out the back. So this would come out the top, either left or right. You know, you can switch it either way. And then what you want to do is then go ahead and attach it to that pump there. Now, for the discharge line, this line, make sure you have a clamp on here when you insert this. Making sure you have a clamp on this. Then you need the check valve. Make sure the check valve arrow is pointing away from the air pump. Okay? So once you have the check valve in, continue your line back down into the top of your panel. Come down the side of it, like so. Come down the side inside of here. Okay? Come down all the way down. There's a little tuck area here that it goes into, and it tucks in between these little tabs. This tab here, you have those tabs as well. It then comes to the bottom here and put another 90 degrees, so you're not bending. I don't want you to bend this, because what happens when you bend it, it starts to kink. So use these fittings and make 90-degree terminations back to the air distribution location. Now on yours, you have two of these. It splits off into two smaller lines. So you have two of these. On this panel, I have one. So I'll send you some photos of how your setup was. I took some photos before I sent it out to you. But yeah, once you have this all tucked into the basin, running along the bottom, you'll have the other T. That T goes to the two smaller lines. That goes to this two smaller adapters. From the adapters goes the clear or the black hosing. It depends which one you have. Then it goes into the air wand. So that's typically how I would run this. If you have any questions, call me Sunday. But use these so that you don't get any kinks in the lines. I will send you additional airline like you emailed me about this morning. And just give me a call Sunday and I'll walk you through it. Thanks.